Reviewing this from Mx5 Tech. This is the diagnostic tool that is made. So this is what it comes in. It comes in this box with the instructions, which are pretty easy to follow, to be honest. But if you're a typical bloke and you do what we do, we just work it out. Now, that's the tool itself. This actually acts as its storage box, which I'm a bit shocked about. Now, I'm a bit hesitant on using it because I find it not finished, and it all looks a bit delicate for what you're going to be using it for inside an engine bay. So I'm scared of getting it wet or oil on my hands or anything. And plus, I think it really should have had a cover on it, or a cable, and especially a better box to store it in. Now, we have a few problems with it, which is I don't particularly like this. I mean, this is a bit tacky, this screen thing. It's not even sealed. Yeah. We also found out that these buttons are in the wrong place, especially when it comes to a Mark II. They want to be here, really. We also, when you push this in, it doesn't go all the way in. It actually sits proud, which you'd have thought it'd have gone flat and in, so you know it's in there solid. But I just think it's a bit unfinished. I mean, it's a great idea and it works really well, but it's not going to stand the test of time, that at all. The first time you drop that, you've had it. It's knackered. Especially if you start bending pins and stuff like that. He's got to the stage of designing it and putting it together, but then stopped. He never progressed any further with it. No protection or anything like that. But anyway, we'll show you. We'll put it on a Mark I first. Right. So, diagnostic port. Okay. So. You just feel a bit with it. It just, yeah, and I don't know if you can just show that down. You can see how it sits proud. You'd have thought it would fit flush. Now, this has obviously been designed from the chap having a Mark I because of all this space, and we'll take you to this a bit later on when it comes to the Mark II. Now let's just run through it. Go on, take it through it. So you can flick up and down through the testing modes, and yeah, we're going to go fault scan now, so it's running a fault scan. You can go through all your testing, and you can put the fuel pump on and all the rest of it, like you would with your LED and your jumper for a couple of quid. This just makes things a lot easier. But I just don't think it's been finished. Yeah. So if we take it over to a Mark II now, and you can see where the problem lies. I just don't think it's sturdy enough, and you're just scared of breaking it. Do you know what I mean? Look at the pins bending. See that? See the pins? Just man, honestly, I really don't like it. Do you know? Right, let's go try the mark. Right, so we get over here to the Mark II, because obviously this is the afterthought of the Mark II. The diagnostic port's right over here. So the problem you've got now is you've got to hinge it and to get it into place, which is a lot more messing around. And then the problem you've got is getting to those buttons. Look, you've got no room. As great as a little tool it is, it's just unfinished. The rest of the thought hasn't gone into the design of it and this, you know, keeping it protected and all the rest of it. The buttons really need to be here, especially if you're coming onto the Mark II. Otherwise you're going to start undoing a diagnostic box and everything, or bending stuff out, and it's just I don't know, it's just unfinished. I'm not impressed, to be honest.